Hello everyone, it's me Mehndi and you are watching my YouTube channel Decorative Dream. Today I have came with a new and an exciting video of feet mehndi designs. You know, every girl likes mehndi, especially on her hands and feet. We know it's a wedding season, so that's why I have decided to make video about mehndi for you. So that's why I have collected a unique and beautiful, stylish and simple mehndi designs for feet. Oh no, it's a very beautiful design, and it's too much beautiful and easy and simple. We can easily make this design on our own feet. I am also a mehndi expert. It's so beautiful, so elegant. It's very simple and easy to make. I hope you are liking my video. If you are liking my video, then please like, share and comment. So that's why I'm so happy to share all these designs with you. If you want such more beautiful and exciting videos, then subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for latest upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching my video. We will meet soon in my next